Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and in this film we're going up to the Troodos mountains to have a special report on what I call a wild art gallery up near the old Amiantos Asbestos Mine. You can see the mine here, which closed in 1988, and we'll just have a brief fly around the drone to get our bearings. As well as the mine, there was also a village up here which serviced the mine and which is now abandoned. This is Amiantos, excuse any pronunciations. I'll just have a quick look here before we go and visit the hospital. Now I won't go into any of the buildings because there's a big sign up on several of them saying that it's property of the forestry department. And besides which, last time I was here I did poke my head in one before the signs went up, and there's not a lot in them anyway. I mean, they're all empty. The cars puzzle me. Why loads of people would decide to leave their cars behind, I have no idea. But there you go. So this is where presumably the workers of the museum, not the museum, the mine, lived. And you've seen the mine itself in the drone footage. So now that all that mind the pickles, all that remains to do is go and have a look at the hospital itself. This is the entrance to the hospital. Now don't take the first turning there. You want this one here, which is in less good condition, but it does lead to the hospital. And we're going to walk down, and I'm not going to give you a grand tour of the hospital itself because I've already done that in the past, but it is being slowly turned, believe it or not, into an unofficial art gallery by one person. The lady in question is Anna, and she has to excuse my butchering of her surname, Kucherova, and she has been doing some rather nice work here. I don't refer to that kind of artwork, but the first place I'll take you to, I showed you in a previous visit, is a psychiatric room. I may well swap cameras when I go indoors, depending on the lighting. Now, here we go, psychotherapy room. It signs that a girl with her presumably imaginary friend. Say goodbye to troublesome thoughts. Lobotomy. Clear your mind. Aim for a worry-free life. And it's a working thermometer. It's 26 degrees centigrade. Yeah, you'll have to excuse the hoo-ha. I do like the keep your balance one. Place to hit the ceiling. And if you look up, there's even a collapsed ceiling. It's obviously in use. Someone's kicked the door in, which is a shame. I suppose it could be part of the exhibit itself. But this is the psychiatric room. Now, not to be content with this, Anna's also gone to work on another area of the hospital, which we're just about to have a look at. So let's go and visit the morgue. I do know how to get to it the long way round. Oh, what's this? Treasure hunt starts here. Now, do I trust that? There's a heart and an arrow. What on earth? That was my first graffiti. First sketch. I'm going to have to switch. What I'll do, I'll return to that later, I think. And I'll keep my focus on what it's supposed to be. There's some more there. Banksy, eat your heart out. I'll take pictures as well because it deserves. Fortunately, this way through has been cleared. The last time I was here, it was a bit overgrown. Be wary of the fig tree. Ooh. So I'm allergic to fig leaves. Get away, get away. Through ages wide, it swiftly flies, invisible before your eyes. It moves in silence, ruthless fast, devours cities, men and past. What force unseen yet ever near, steals from us all that we hold dear. Tell you what, I'll film this twice. First with the white camera, the original one. Oh wow, look at this. Amazing. There's even a QR code. It's pure quality. I've taken a lot of pictures of this. She is very talented. And they've got loads of emojis which tell the story. It's spectacular. And this is the old morgue, if you hadn't worked out. It's a very tiny thing. I mean, if you see stuff like Quincy, if you go that far back, or NCIS, the morgues they have there are huge, but the morgue in this hospital was tiny. It will come out. So, Cyprus has a new art gallery. courtesy of Anna. It's brilliant, I have to say. I've seen pictures of it online because she has a Facebook account and she'd been posting updates on there, but I was laughing at the sign up here. She's like she's adopted this old hospital for artistic playground. Dr. Hugh G. Burnout, head of medical office. This is the boiler room. Okay. If I had any artistic talent, I'd post a huge face on that, or paint one. But yes, so huge burnout. Your offices need a bit of a tidy up. I'll leave you with a view of the exterior before I change lenses.